Good morning, dear students. Let's start chapter Linear Inequalities. Here, according to Maxwell, mathematics is the art of saying many things in many different ways. Students, here we have in mathematics, a linear inequality is an inequality which involves a linear function. A linear inequality contains one of the symbols of inequality. It shows the data which is not equal in graph form. Students, you can see here in mathematics what is linear inequality. Linear inequality is an inequality which involves a linear function, and a linear inequality contains one of the symbols of inequality that I have mentioned below, and it shows the data which is not equal in graph form. Students, you can see the inequalities. First one is less than, second is greater than, and third one is less than or equal to, fourth one is greater than or equal to, fifth is not equal to, and last one is equal to. These inequalities are used in this chapter linear inequalities. So students, आप देख सकते हैं इस चैप्टर में linear inequality चैप्टर का नाम है, that contains a linear function and uses the inequalities as symbols. Okay, so students, move to the next here. You can see here that in two-dimensional linear inequalities, here is a line x plus 3y less than 9. Students, we know that if we have to draw a line in the graph, then we need 2 points to plot the line. So students, by finding the 2 points by inspection, making the table that you have already done in class 10th, you will get 2 points, and by joining these 2 points you will get this inequality. And here you can see that x plus 3y is less than 9. In this way, the shaded region is below this line. You can see that I have shaded the region here. So students, this is the example of two-dimensional linear inequalities. Now, solving linear inequalities, you can see here the real line, and here we have to make graph for x greater than minus 3. Students, this is an example. We have to make here x greater than minus 3 and represent this on the number line. Number line means real line. You can see here I have make a real line and plot the points that are necessary. Here we have to show point minus 3. You can see here minus 3, and the near values you will plot here minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is up to infinity. Now students, you can see in this inequality that x is only greater than minus 3. There is no symbol of equality. So in this way, we make a circle on the point minus 3 and leave the circle empty. Students, circle को fill नहीं करना. Suppose if I fill this circle, this means that x is greater and equal to minus 3. And also you can observe from here that this arrow sign indicates that x is greater than minus 3. Okay, and if we move to the in the right hand side in the right direction, then you can see that value increases. So students, here we have the next example also. You can see the graph for x greater and equal to. Here you can see that point is 2, so represent 2 and the neighborhood points on the number line. You can see here the points, and here you can see the equality sign as well. X is greater and equal to 2. So students, आपको यहाँ पर शो करना है रिप्रेजेंट लाइन पर x must be greater than equal to 2. In this way, in the right hand side, in the right direction, x increases. So we will make arrow up to infinity, and here is the equality sign, and represent circle at point 2, and you have to fill that circle because here we have used the equality sign. So students, today I have explained to you the basic concepts that are necessary, and we will use all these concepts in the chapter. So students, thank you for watching the complete video.